The cranial nerve groove, style of proper casual hop mutes medical school. Alright class, gather round. We got 12 nerves in your head, and they do some wild things, so let's sing instead. Cranial nerves, 1 to 12, each got a job to help you help yourself. From your nose to your toes, kind of, they're on the move, let's learn them all in the cranial nerve groove. One olfactory, smelling what's cooking. 2 optic, lets you keep on looking. 3 oculomotor, moves your eyes around. Up, down, side, smooth and sound. 4 trochlear, takes the eye for a spin. Pulls it down and out, that's how we begin. 5 terminal, 3 branches wide. Face feeling and chew power from the side. 6 abducens, look to the side. It pulls the eye out like a carnival ride. 7 facial, makes you grin or pout. Taste the front tongue and facial muscles shout. 8 vestibulocochlear, balancing here. Keeps you upright and brings the sounds near. 5 terminal, 3 branches wide. Face feeling and chew power from the side. 6 abducens, look to the side. It pulls the eye out like a carnival ride. 7 facial, makes you grin or pout. Taste the front tongue and facial muscles shout. 8 vestibulocochlear, balancing here. Keeps you upright and brings the sounds near. Cranial nerves, 1 to 12, sensory and motor, they do it so well. Head to neck, they help you move, let's keep it going in the cranial nerve groove. This is part of Dr. Jenny Education Lectures. 9, glossopharyngeal, taste in the back, swallowing strong and pressure on track. 10, vagus, it roams so far, heart, lungs, gut, superstar. 11, SRE, shrugs and turns, moves your traps, feel that burn. 12, hypoglossal tongue control, speech and chewing, that's its role. Cranial nerves, now we know, from 1 to 12, let that knowledge flow. Keep them strong, keep them smooth, you just rock the cranial nerve groove. This is part of Dr. Jenny Education Lectures. Cranial nerves, 1 to 12, each got a job to help you help yourself. From your nose to your toes, they're on the move, let's learn them all in the cranial nerve groove. Woo! Eye olfactory, smelling what's cooking. Optic, lets you keep on looking. Oculomotor, moves your eyes around. Up, down, side, smooth and sound. IV trochlear, takes the eye for a spin. Pulls it down and out, that's how we begin. V terminal, 3 branches wide. Face feeling and chew power from the side. V abducens, look to the side. It pulls the eye out like a carnival ride. Vag facial, makes you grin or pout. Taste the front tongue and facial muscle shout. Oof, vestibulocochlear, balancing here. Keeps you upright and brings the sounds near. Woo! Cranial nerves, 1 to 12, sensory and motor, they do it so well. Head to neck, they help you move, let's keep it going in the cranial nerve groove. Woo! This is part of Dr. Jenny Education Lectures. Ox glossopharyngeal, taste in the back, swallowing strong and pressure on track. X vagus, it roams so far, heart, lungs, gut, superstar.